So we have two packages of Carnolians and two of Buckfast. And the packages are looking pretty good. Hardly any dead bees in there. Got some Klingons here. One of these here had a comb in it. I think this is the one I see in the back. Some comb there. They've only been in here a few days. Yeah, there's a lot of bees in there. Not too many dead ones either. Should have had some good luck with them. Well, they're all in there. Two Buckfast on the left, two Carnolians on the right. I might have saw the queen on the far right one go flying out when I was putting the last frames in there. Find out in a few days if I got a queen in there. Had one come and get friendly with me there. They're all figuring out where they live now.